Hello there. This is part 2 of the AI assistant game. Let's begin. In this part, we will continue our game. We will program almost everything. We just make two lists in the last video or in the first video. And in this video, we will program the finish until the finish of this game, inshallah. So now we make while loop. We make when green flag clicked, and after that while loop. After that, we want to make this sprite say something and allow the user to take or to put the answer. So we will write sprite.input, not sprite.say. The difference. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my academy account. This is the academy page and this is my Facebook page. This link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue. Between sprite.input and sprite.say, that sprite.input allow the user to write an answer like this, like what you see right now in this text field. So if I just write sprite.say, this text field will not appear. But here the text field appear and it allow the user to write the answer. Okay? Or to write anything, respond like that, to continue or to contact with the AI assistant, with the program. So I will ask the user to say anything. I will say something. The AI assistant now say something, and wait until the user write anything in the text field. After that, I will take the response of the user. It will be called here answer. I will take it and check if this response equivalent with any element of the questions list. If it's equivalent, I will get the right or the opposite answer. Not the opposite, it's like the equivalent answer, the same item answer. As you see here, I said if sprite.answer in questions, sprite.answer is the response of the user. If it's inside the questions list, so I want to know its index, which index it's in, like the first index, the second index, the third index, which question of them. I have a lot of questions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, just 4. Hello and hi and how are you and yes. So which one of them? I want to know the index. And as you know, the lists is 0 based. So it's begin from 0. Hello is index 0 and hi is index 1. Also, how are you index 2 and so on. So I want to know the index of this thing. If it's already in the questions, I want to know its index to go to answers and choose the same index, and it will be my answer, and I will make the AI assistant appear the answer or show the answer. So now I will make variable j equals 0 to go inside the questions 0, and every time increase 1 by 1 until it find the right equivalent question. And I will say while not question of j equal sprite.answer. Sprite.answer is the thing that the user write inside the text field. So if the question equal to the sprite.answer, I will take the j. If it's not, I will increase the j by 1 to go to the next question until I find it equal. And when I find it equal, I will stop. So it will continue if it's not equal. That's why I say while not question of j equal sprite.answer. So I said not. It will continue and make loop while loop until it become equal. When it become equal, it will stop, because it's just continuing when it's not equal. When it's equal, it will stop and I will take the j and I will go to the answers list and I will take the answer of J, or the answers of J, the index J. So it's the equivalent. It's equivalent. If it's how are you, the index J will be 2. So I will go answers to 2 or of 2, it will be good. So this will be the answer, and I will make sprite.say answers of J for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. This will make it appear for 2 seconds. If I want it more than 2 seconds, I can write 3, 4, 5, 6 until as I want. Like here now, hello. And after that say something. I will write what's your name, for example. What's your name is not inside the questions, so it will not make anything, as you see. Why? Because it will respond just if it's inside the questions. So what about if it's not inside the questions? It can learn it. It can learn it. It can ask you to teach this new question for or to it, to the AI assistant. So we will write the code of learning or teaching the AI assistant. We will write else. Else mean if it's not inside the questions. Okay? Because we said if answers in the question, we will do blah blah blah. Else, this means not in the questions. Else, we will program it to learn about the new question and the answer of this new question. So, as you see here, I will make a variable. I will call it new q, like new question. It will equal sprite.answer. Sprite.answer is the thing that the user write in the text field. Okay? And we are sure that this thing is not in questions. Okay? Because we are now in else. Else mean it's not in questions. So I will take it and save it inside the new q variable. And I will ask the user, I don't know it. Can you teach it to me? Or something like that. Okay? I don't know that word or that phrase, or I don't know it. For 2 seconds. The AI will say, could you teach me it? Okay? After that, we make it in sprite.input. So we will wait until the user respond. If the respond is yes, so I will save the answer inside the answers. And I will save the new queue inside the questions list and the answer list. But if the user say no, so the user don't want to teach the AI, so it will finish. It's okay. Now, if sprite.answer equal yes, so the user now say yes. In this case, we will make questions.append. Append is a function that add a new thing or a new item inside the list. So I said questions, the list of questions, .append.add, you can consider it add, new question or new queue that we save from the beginning. And answers also .add the answer, the thing that the user will write here. Okay? But we will ask the user to write it in the beginning. So we will say, what is the meaning of this thing, or what does this question mean, or what is the answer of this question, or how can I answer of this question or respond to this question, anything. So I write here what that this question means, and when the user write anything, I will take the thing that he or she write, and I will add it to the answers. So I will say answers.append, sprite.answer. Sprite.answer is the thing that is written inside the text field, as I said. Okay, so by this way, this AI assistant will learn a new question and a new answer of this new question. Okay, what about if the user said no from the beginning? When the AI ask him or her, could you teach me? And the user say no. So I will go here to else, and I will say sprite.say okay, or oh, well, something like that, and the game will finish here, as you see here. So let's try. First, I will write something. Hi. He say hi. How are you? Also he say good. what's your name? He don't know this question, by the way. Could you teach me it? He don't know his name because I didn't make him know it from the beginning. What does this question means? I will say anything, like you are Pico, for example, or I will give this AI any name and I want. So I will say something like Pico. Now his name is Pico. So let's try it again from the beginning. Hi, hello, and what's your name? How are you? It will say also good. But how are you? It didn't say good because how are you? I should write it in the same cases, like lowercase and uppercase. It's case sensitive. I should write it as it is inside the questions list exactly. Now I will say, what's your name? It will not know it, even while I teach it. Why? Because I begin the game from the beginning, so it forget. Again, I teach it and I said Pico. Now I will ask the same question again, and the answer is Pico, as you see. Okay. I hope everything for you. I hope I could benefit you in this game. You can go and make this game with yourselves. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments. And see you. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work, like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my Academy account. This is the Academy page, and this is my Facebook page, this link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue.